Hey, welcome everybody. Today we're over here at the Animal Kingdom Park, and this is the Expedition Everest roller coaster. So if you guys haven't been on this one, this is the one that's got the Yeti on the inside. And if you guys want, you can even go on the single rider line and get on there quick. Alright, so right now I'm in the front row. We're getting ready to leave right now. It's nice today because nobody's really on the ride with me. I'm up front, there's only a few riders, so it's nice and quiet. We're going to have the natural sound of the ride, so we'll give you that today. And this one here, as you guys can see, you go up. It's a small incline in the beginning, it's a little bit of a ride, and then you're going to make the big ascend up to the top of the mountain. And this is another one of these roller coasters. It's kind of like the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's real smooth, as you guys are seeing going through this. And now we come up to the big ascent. This is going to take us all the way up. And nothing like the sound of these roller coasters as you guys are ascending up these mountains with the clicking and the clattering. But this is a look going up. It's awesome view up here. If you guys haven't had a chance to get up here, take a look out there. A lot of construction and stuff going out, as always. And here we go. And sight. This is it. So this is the part that looks like the Yeti actually ripped the carts up and stuff like that. So the whole rails are all curved around. And now we're going to head on in. It's going to take you to see if we can find the Yeti that did this, guys. And here we go. Okay, look closely, guys. You're going to see the Yeti. There he is up on top. And now he's going to show you what he likes to do. And he's tearing up the tracks. And here we go. That's enough of the Yeti, and we're on our way. About it. We're coming out now, and that's going to be the close to this ride, guys. So hope you guys liked it. Give it a subscribe, a like, and we'll see you on the next one.